Hey tech fans! Samsung just dropped a world-first QD-OLED Smart Monitor lineup, and it's a game changer for your desk setup. Ready for stunning visuals and smart features? Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the hottest tech news. Let's dive into Samsung's M7, M8, and M9 smart monitors. On June 25, 2025, Samsung unleashed its first ever QD-OLED smart monitor alongside the M7 and M8 in South Korea. With jaw-dropping displays, smart features, and sleek designs, these monitors are set to redefine your workspace. Launching globally soon. Want to know what makes them special? Keep watching! Samsung's smart monitor series includes the M7, M8, and flagship M9, all rocking 32-inch screens, with the M7 also offering a 42-inch option. The M7's the budget-friendly pick in black or white, while the M8 comes in a stylish warm white. The M9 steals the show with a 4K QD OLED panel, delivering vibrant colors and deep blacks with a glare-free coating. These are built for work and play. The smart monitor M9 is a beast. 4K QD OLED with a 165Hz variable refresh rate, 0.03 ms response time, 250 nits typical brightness, and 400 nits peak. It's got a 10-watt stereo speaker setup, a solar cell remote with USB-C, a 5-megapixel webcam for 4K video, far-field mics, and a height-adjustable metal stand with an IR sensor for face detection. Gamers, creators, and pros, this one's for you. Samsung's QD OLED smart monitors blend TV-like smarts with monitor performance. The M9's QD OLED tech offers unmatched visuals, while the M7 and M8 cater to different styles. Launching in South Korea on June 25th and globally in weeks, these could set a new standard for hybrid displays. Are they worth the hype for your setup? Samsung's rolling out the M7, M8, and M9 in South Korea now, with other countries next. Whether you're eyeing the affordable M7 or the premium M9's QD OLED glory, these monitors are must-sees. Which one's catching your eye? And will you upgrade your desk? Drop your thoughts below. That's the scoop on Samsung's QD OLED smart monitor launch. Are you hyped for the M9's 4K display? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If you love this scoop, smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell icon for more tech updates.